Looks good.
Yeah, he's my age.
They were funny this morning on
Good morning, America.
Really?
Morning America, yeah.
Promoting this upcoming.
Right.
Yeah. And then in the middle of... Oh.
Did she make that noise?
She would have been the best mom to
Oh my
baby.
gosh, yeah.
I think you're right.
She's adopted them.
Are they your babies, Paul? Are they your babies?
You know, she's nudging him. Get out of
She
there.
doesn't want him there for
She don't,
some
for
reason.
whatever reason, she don't want him
You
there.
know what I mean?
Or maybe she wants him to get out and
Play with
come
her.
play, or...
I don't know.
Is actually J-Lo's longtime choreographer, J.R. Taylor. She posted this Instagram video of them together sharing this.
Oh, great.
Oh.
Shit.
Besties and co-workers.
It's being double teamed.
Sorry.
That also featured her
Hey.
J.R. is
Rocky's like, whoa.
Lots of big things going on.
I'll just lay down and make believe like they're not
Put my
there.
paw in the air and see what that
Sky
does.
went under. Sky went under.
Under the couch, yeah.
Yeah. Put her head stuck under.
Cali, you like your baby?
So I'm gonna try and pick her up.
Really?
It looks like it, but she's just nosing him.
She's trying to pick her up, you think, you guys?
She's
I can't
nosing him.
see.
She's nosing him.
Oh, okay, there. Sunny was in the way.
Now she's pulling me. And Rocky's giving her a left hook back. Oh yeah, take that. Come on. Come on, big girl. Come on, I'll take you on.